Hi there, this is Dave Smith. I'm CFO for the Americas for HP Inc. That's right, the CFO, the Chief Fan Officer, because in HP Inc. we don't plan on having just customers, we plan on having fans. So let me tell you about why that's important and how we're going to achieve that in the Americas. So firstly, why is it important? Well, put yourself in the customer's shoes. So the customer, when they think of HP, they think of this. This is the 15th most valuable brand according to Interbrand, and for customers this is a symbol of innovation and quality. And so if we're to deliver fans, we need to deliver innovation and quality and do it well. And so from a customer support organisation, how can we apply that innovation and quality to our support experience? Well, in the Americas we've defined a great support experience is on time, high quality and easy. And if we can deliver those three things simultaneously, we think we'll be creating fans. More importantly though, the hallmark of any quality company is we need to do it with consistency. We need to consistently be on time, high quality and easy in all of the support experiences we give to our customers. And we can measure that with a metric called SNPS, the Support Net Promoter Score. And that will be able to measure all of our support experiences across all of our customer segments and be able to track whether we are growing the number of fans that HP has. And growing the number of fans is important because it will deliver Richard's favourite thing. That's right, it will allow us to grow our services business and add more dollars to the top line and the bottom line by growing our reputation as an excellent service and support provider, which will enable us to add a valuable revenue stream for HP Inc. So how are we going to add all these fans in the Americas? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to organise ourselves in an organisational structure that is based on optimising the customer experience. So in the past we were vertically organised in silos around different functions. Each function had its own distinct metrics. We've thrown that out and we've created end-to-end teams where we're expecting teamwork and process focus all the way from a concept out to the customer, making sure that everybody has line of sight of how does their work have an impact on the customer. And that is a key part of how we create fans. Moreover, we have a learning loop all the way back from customer across the traditional silos all the way back through our end-to-end teams so we can get closed loop learning and everybody can learn about how does their work have an impact on the customer experience. Are they creating fans? Are they not? How can they work to improve their process so that they can deliver more fans? So what we have started is a process of walking more in the customer's shoes. And so we have in my staff, for example, every staff meeting, the first 15 to 20 minutes is spent with staff members going through an explanation of what they did that week to put themselves in the customer's shoes and sharing the learning and the emotions that they went through as they physically went through a customer's experience themselves. Not like reading some data, not like listening to somebody else's experience, but having their own experience. And the emotional reactions you have when you have your own experience are much more different. And so that's a key part of how we think we will change the culture and drive more to a fan-based culture. Another thing that we've done is we have created some reliable metrics. And so various teams across the Americas have spent time defining what is wrong with our current metrics. So for example, in the call center team last year, we identified that SNPS for consumer call, it wasn't counting the right kind of things we needed to count. Also this year we put a lot of pressure on the case metrics, whether it's case age, whether it's case turnaround time. And guess what? We found the data we had just wasn't reliable. And so you've got to have reliable metrics in order to be able to drive the right kind of outcomes. Another thing I'd like to recognize that we've done in the Americas is, well, this wasn't really all that great. So this is a fireman fighting a fire. And so a year ago, in January 2014, we had a lot of fires in the Americas. We had escalations to the EC at record levels. And so what happened was various teams got together and they got in the process of what is it we need to do to turn unhappy customers into happy customers. And there were war rooms, there was lots of people involved, Stephanie Barrente's team, Andrew Lamb's team, the ECR team, Loads of people have contributed, massive teamwork across the many parts of the Americas to make this happen. But here's the key thing. The team didn't stop at just having happy customers. The team has continued to work in an end-to-end fashion across the traditional silos to create fans. See, that's just a smiley face. That is what a fan looks like. A fan. And so something else that we've done in the Americas is that we have challenged the traditional status quo. So this is our great product here called Sprout. And Sprout is a world-breaking record product that has immersive computing capabilities unlike any other computer on the market today. And so rather than just treating it as just another unit and pushing it through just the regular support experience, what we did is we challenged the whole support experience and built a new one from the ground up. And as a result, our SNPS score on this product is 75. 75 is world class. It is better than Apple. It is better than anybody in the consumer market. And so this makes us the world leader in SNPS by rethinking our model of how we went about supporting Sprout. So well done the Sprout team and everybody who has contributed across the end-to-end. So across all of our teams, people have been involved in bringing this Sprout experience to market. So well done, everybody. Another thing that we're doing here is we're driving on operational excellence. So look at this. I did this all myself. These are all green. We're trying to turn all of our weekly dashboards green. And the reason that we're trying to push all those dashboards into green is we think they are the hallmarks of being able to have a on-time, high-quality, low-effort experience. So really those internal metrics are the leading indicators of how well are we doing at creating fans. And so at the end of the day, this is our vision statement. Our new vision statement is we want people to love HP.